Assalamualaikum everyone. Mohit is here and I am going to tell you about the parrots we bought recently. These two parrots look. These two parrots we bought recently, and these are the feeders. One is here and one is in the downer portion. And in the downer portion, we keep lovebirds so they don't come. So they don't come when there's somewhat there's so much rush. So they're probably shy, so they don't come out. But these parrots are Australian. I think some of the blue and the green are gonna give eggs, so we'll have more Australian parrots. So to grow, we put calcium in each portion, and we put pots shaped like nest, and there's another one down there. You can see this is it, and there's another one where we bought the lovebirds, and this was the second lovebird cage, so we shifted it down up here, and we took very good care of them. I hope you liked them. Or Allah Hafiz. Allah.